Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we are going to look at two types of Arabic sentence. The first type is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu, al-jumla al-ismiyya, and the second is called al-jumla al-fi'liyya, al-jumlatul fi'liyya. Al-jumlatul ismiyya is translated as the nominal sentence, and al-jumlatul fi'liyya is verbal sentence. So what is al-jumla al-ismiyya and what is al-jumlatul fi'liyya? Let us look at the examples. In the first examples, okay, in the first group, this is for the jumla ismiyya, for the nominal sentence, and in the second group of examples is for al-jumla al-fi'liyya, for the verbal sentence. Let us look at the first group, which is al-jumla al-ismiyya. Al-jumlatul ula, the first sentence, al-ummu fadluha azimun. Al-ummu fadluha azimun. Al-ummu means the mother. Fadluha, her good deeds or her kindness, azimun, is great. Al-ummu fadluha azim. The mother, her kindness is great. Al-jumlatu thaniya, al-jannatu tahta aqdamil ummahati. Al-jannatu, the jannah, the paradise, tahta, under, aqdam, feet, al-ummahat, the mothers. Al-jannah, the paradise, is under or lies under the feet of the mothers. Al-jumlatu thalitha, ana dhahibun ilal maktabati. Ana dhahibun ilal maktabati. Ana, I, dhahibun, the person who is going, and here we translate as I am going to the library. Al-jumlatu rabi'ah, silatul rahimi wajibatun ala kulli muslimin. Silatul rahim, sila means connecting, rahim, kinships, and here it means maintaining the ties of kinships. Wajibatun is wajib or is an obligation, ala, upon, kulli, each Muslim. So maintaining the ties of kinship is wajib or is an obligation upon every Muslim. Now, if we look at all of these sentences, they all start with a noun. So for example, in the first sentence, it starts with al-um, the mother. So this is a noun, an ism. Therefore, the jumla is called jumlatun ismiyatun, a nominal sentence, or the sentence which starts with an ism. If you look at the second sentence, it also starts with a noun, and al-ism, al-jannah. This is al-ism. Therefore, it is also called jumlatun ismiyatun, a nominal sentence. Al-jumlatu thalitha, the sentence starts with ana. Ana is a pronoun, is a damir, and damir is also an ism. So ana, since this is an ism, we call this jumlatun ismiyatun. And the same goes to al-jumlatul rabi'ah, the fourth sentence. The sentence starts with the word sila, silatul rahim, and the word sila, this is also an ism, and we call this jumla jumlatun ismiyatun. So now we understand why do we call this jumla ismiyah, because as-sabab, the reason, li'annaha mabdu'atun bismin, because the sentence starts with an ism. The same goes to sentence number 2, sentence number 3, and sentence number 4. And in sentence number 3, the sentence starts with ana. So ana, as I've mentioned earlier, this is also an ism, because it is a damir, a pronoun. Now we look at the second group, which is the second type of the jumla or jumlatun fi'liyatun. الجملة الأولى خلق الله السماوات والأرض. خلق, created. Allah, the heavens and the earth. Allah created the heavens and the earth. الجملة الثانية ذهبت إلى المكتبة. I went to the library. الجملة الثالثة أرجو لقاءك اليوم. أرجو, I hope, لقاءك, meeting you today. I hope to meet you today. الجملة الرابعة احترم والديك. احترم, respect, والديك, your parents. So if you look at this group, the sentences is in this group. So what is the first word? What is the first word in all of the sentences? In the first sentence we have khalaqa. Khalaqa is a verb, created. So this is a fi'lun madin. So since this is a fi'l, then the jumla is called jumlatun fi'liyatun, or the verbal sentence. In sentence number 2 we say zahabtu. Zahabtu. Zahabtu is also a fi'l, a verb. I went. Zahabtu. So this is also a fi'l. We call this jumla jumlatun fi'liyatun. In the third sentence we have another fi'l. We have another verb. Arju, I hope. Arju is a fi'l. So this is now fi'lun mudari, okay, the present tense. So the jumla is also called jumlatun fi'liyatun. And in the last example we have ihtarim. Ihtarim, this is also another fi'l, but now it is fi'lul amr, okay, the fi'l that you use to instruct. So we say ihtarim, please respect, or respect. Then this is also a fi'l. We call this jumla jumlatun fi'liyatun. And finally, so we look at the al-qaida. Okay, al-qaida, okay, the grammar rules. So the rule says that al-jumlatu naw'an. So the sentence, okay, in Arabic we have naw'an, two types. So there are two types of sentences. The first is called jumlatun ismiyatun. Jumla ismiya, a nominal sentence. So what is jumla ismiya? Wahiya al-jumlatul mabdu'atu bismin. So this is the definition of jumla ismiya. So it is the sentence that starts with an ism, with a noun. Mithlu, so this is the examples. Al-ummu fadluha azim, the sentence number 1, and ana dhahibun ilal maktaba. Okay, so these two words, al-um and ana, is an ism, so we call it jumla ismiya. Ba, okay, the second type of the sentence is jumlatun fi'liyatun, verbal sentence. So this is the definition of jumla fi'liya. Wahiya al-jumlatul mabdu'atu bifi'lin, and it is the sentence that starts with a verb, with a fi'l. Mithlu, for example, khalaqallahu samawati wal ard. The word khalaqa is a verb, so the sentence is called jumla fi'liya. And dhahabtu ilal maktaba, I went. So the word dhahabtu is another fi'l, so we call this jumla jumlatun fi'liya.